Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm showing you a really cool scarf out of just trebles and chains. And yeah, it's going to be super easy to do and you see how awesome the texture looks. So I'll show you what kind of wool I used, what kind of crocheting hook and how I did it. So let's get right to it. Stay tuned. So you guys, today I used the Cambo wool. So it's from Handmade with Love. I think that's the label here. And yeah, as I said, Cambo is the name. Yeah, so this was one of the cheaper brands. And yeah, let's see here the details. So it's for a 5mm hook or crocheting needles. And I'll use my 6mm one. And yeah, here is the Teddy. That's the brand that makes all of these yarns. So yeah, let's see here. We have 45% acrylic, 45% wool, 10% polyester. I'll use 2 of these for today's scarf. And yeah, let's get started. So today I'm going to chain 22 to get started. So if you want a different width, then just do a multiple of 5 plus 2 more chains. Okay, so here are my 22 chains. So now we're leaving 4 out, 4, and into the 5th one we go in and we're going to do a treble there. Then we're going to do another one. Okay, 2 trebles done, then comes the chain, and then we're going to do 2 more trebles. Now I'm going to leave the next 3 chains out, and into the 4th one I'm going to do again 2 trebles, a chain, and 2 trebles. There we go. I need a little bit more yarn here. Okay, so I have 2 pieces done, 2 elements or whatever you want to call them. So we're leaving again 3 out, and then we're again doing the same thing. 2 trebles, 1 chain, and again 2 trebles, all into the same spot. Leave 3 out and again repeat the same thing. And 2 more trebles, and then we're done with this one too. Yeah, so 4 are already done. Now one more time, this is the last time for this row. And the last treble. And now into the very last chain that I have, I'm going to do just 1 regular treble. And yeah, there we are. So this is our first row. You see how big this is already. So it's really going to be a fast project. So yeah, we started with chains on the one side here, and then we moved on to the treble on the other side. So the chains actually replaced the first treble. Okay, so let's start again with 3 chains. And now it's going to be super simple. So what you want to do is go into the chains between the 2 trebles or the 2 paired trebles, and we're going to do the same thing again. So into or underneath the chain that you see, you do 2 trebles, a chain, and 2 trebles again. There we go. And then we're going to skip everything that we have up until the next chain, and then we're going to repeat the same thing. So again, a pair of trebles, a chain, and another pair of trebles all into the same spot. And as you can see, this is a super easy project because you don't have any issues finding the spot where you need to go in. Very easy. And the next one already. And I'm now at the last one. A chain and then 2 more trebles. Five elements, 5 pieces, and then 1 treble to end the row with. And yeah, we started with 3 chains for the height on the one side and with the treble on the other. And that's the exact same height. So yeah, this is what we have for now. So you already see how easy this is, and we're going to continue in the exact same manner. So chain 3 for the height, turn, and then repeat the second row 1 more time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're going to keep going like that until we finish the entire ball. And yeah, I'm going to show you a little update mid-project. Okay, you guys, so this is a mid-project update, and you see here I have a couple rows more done. So you see these 2 trebles that kind of form a half of a heart, or at least it looks like a heart to me, and then the other half of the heart. So yeah, or the other 2 trebles, the other half of the heart. So yeah, it looks awesome. I'm really satisfied, and I love the black that kind of goes through all of the stitches as well. So yeah, now I'm going to continue with this until I have my entire ball done. So I'll show you, I still have quite a bit to go from the first one here. So when I finish that one, I'll do another one, and then I'll show you the entire scarf. Okay, you guys, so now I'm done with both of my balls, and you see here what we have. So it looks awesome. I think the colors are really nice. We have a little bit of brown, beige, gray, blue, and everything in between. So yeah, this is the size that I got. I think it looks pretty nice, and I have it here doubled just in case you're wondering why it's so short. And I have just a tiny bit of yarn left over, as you can see. So now I want to take the one end and just kind of align it with the next one because I want to do a loop this time. So we're just going to go through. So just like we always do some slip stitches, we're going to do them now as well to connect the 2 ends. You see here I have the beginning thread as well, and I'm just going through both sides, making sure that everything's nicely aligned. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So we're going all the way to the other end. This is what it looks like from the inside. So you can see the stitch kind of, but I'll show you the other side. So we're pulling the end out. And then on the other side, as you can see, it's next to invisible. So it looks really great. It just kind of blends in there. And I think it looks wonderful. So we can shorten the yarn. And there we go. So I have just a tiny bit of yarn left over here that we're going to pull out. And all we need to do then is find the beginning and the end. This one we're going to pull a little bit, but both we're going to weave in. Also, I do have the spot where I switched from the first ball to the second one, so that's what we also need to weave in a little bit. I also do a double knot here just to make sure everything stays in place, but that's optional. So yeah, a little bit of weaving in, not too much, and you have your scarf completely done. So yeah, as I said, super easy to do. Feel free to try it out. It's really not difficult, even if you're a beginner. And yeah, if you like the texture, if you like the yarn, let me know in the comment section. This is a little bit warmer one for the spring, but I think it still looks great, and I wanted to try this yarn out with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you did. You can also subscribe to our channel, and if you click on the notification bell, you'll get notified every time we post a new video. So see you in our next project, and until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!